We're all taking a walk in nature.
What's that?
You didn't get me that time.
I don't want to get you. Go first.
Okay. Ah!
Oh my God! What is it?
I slipped.
Well,
Oh my
good thing you got the brand. Well, maybe I don't want to go through here.
Well, you have water shoes.
Yeah, but they get stuck in the water. Better walk on the side.
Hold on the trees.
Whoa. Okay.
Oh.
Too friggin' funny.
Bro, I almost fell.
Look at that crab. Look at his hand. Claw.
Oh my God.
What's that? Oh, well.
Yeah.
Keep going.
That's why you need a stick, baby. You'll never forget that. You got it off?
Yeah. Stop.
Okay.
There's something up here.
What do you mean, something? We need a stick.
What is that?
No, you're not supposed to pick the mangoes. Here, look. Look at this.
Oh, perfect. Let me have it.
Okay. Yeah.
Well, you know, in the first hit.
Mason's going back. Maybe you should take off the sides.
Is this an artifact? Yeah. It's not fun. Ah!
Where's your stick?
So I'm looking here, I'm looking there. Like a stick's gonna stop it.
I wonder if the panthers live in here.
No, you know what? I don't think there's maybe one or two left, and they're more like an Ocala, or if they're there anymore at all. I don't think there's any left. I'm sure there's a couple, but in our area, there probably